TSA. This is my outfit. This is from Bourgeois Boutique. I'm on the link and everything in the description box. So I'm so early because last time I missed my flight. So now I have like 3 hours to kill. So I'm going to I don't know if I should get a cocktail. I already had coffee this morning. It's a little hot, but this two-piece set is so freaking cute. I'm in love. And you know what, we have like 5 different colors, so I'm gonna have a link and a coupon code for you guys. So I think I probably should get a cocktail, you know what I mean, because like it's like $5 something, right? All right, let's go, guys. I have all my junk right here too. Like laptops must be stowed prior to pushback, either in a bag under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. They may not be stowed in the seat. Finally take this off. So got some pizza. Okay. So I have a few hours to kill. I didn't know it was that early. I might have to pay the $10 extra to check in, but they cheat them to give me one each. So I'm gonna put some of the peppers on it. This is a big piece too, but it better be for $8. So I don't know how I feel right now. Just checked in. I mean, I haven't even checked in yet, guys. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So let's see. It's pretty good. I made it finally. This room about to be messed up after this. So should I get so I'm debating whether I should run to the store, get some chasers, or what, or unpack. This is how the room looks so far. One king size bed. I'm gonna show you guys the view. The lady who helped check out was so freaking nice. I guess we should unpack. That's fine. It's here. Okay guys, so I kind of unpacked a little bit. So I guess right now I don't know, I kind of want to do a mini photo shoot tonight. So I'm thinking about, okay, hold on, let me just sit down and relax for a minute. So I want to do a mini photo shoot. Let me see if I can prop you here. Okay, this lighting is good. Okay guys, so I packed a little, or I unpacked a little bit. It's only 3 o'clock, so I'm thinking about running downstairs. I don't know. I really don't know. I kind of want a Fat Tuesday cup, so I'll probably just run up there, get a Fat Tuesday cup, and order some dinner because I want to do a photo shoot tonight in here. The only thing is I left my ring light. I don't know how the hell I did it. I ordered one on Amazon. I ordered a travel size one, and somehow it didn't make it to my bag. I'm so upset about that. So I have to improvise on light. So I'm thinking about how can I do a photo shoot tonight and make it like really nice. So I need to have him run outside now. Okay. Whew, this is my foot. So I need to have him leave because it's a fight with the sunlight. Ooh, it's kind of better this way. So I'm not gonna bring my vlogging camera because I am by myself right now and I need to be alert. So I'm gonna bring my phone and a little purse. Yeah, so it's tough. And I know a lot of people trying to say like even family members, when they found out that I traveled by myself, they don't like it. Even my brother offered to come. One of my friends did too. They all offered to come when they found out, but I did travel alone. But like I said, I have friends that live in Vegas, so I was like, I planned on just being by myself today and tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so Thursday, Friday, I'm going to have a long time for me where I can just reflect on life. I want to manifest some things. I want to write down my new goals I'm going to work towards, and then Saturday, which is my actual birthday, Saturday, Sunday, I was going to turn up. So I was going to contact my friends that do live in Vegas and then, you know, hang out with them, see what's going on. Back in LA, of course, everything's shut down. So I was trying to escape it in a way, the shutdown. So now that that's out the way. So I know a lot of people are like, why the hell did you do this? Why go out myself? But even my mom, she didn't like it neither. But it's nothing to do in LA. And I know this trip was so spontaneous and short notice. A lot of people were like, okay, you told me too late. So I'm like, you know what, I still want to go. I still want to do something, because if I was still in LA, I would be just stuck in my room because literally after something. So whew, I am about to just go downstairs like I said, and then I'm on a Fat Tuesday, and then yeah, I'm gonna, if I see anything interesting, I'm gonna vlog on my phone. So yeah, and then yeah, we'll come back and then we're gonna do a video. I mean, we're gonna record a video. Now the video I'm gonna record today is gonna be my new merch. I have some pieces for my new merch. If you do not follow me on Instagram, follow me now, because I have been saying like my new merch is coming, my new merch is coming. So I have some pieces here, so I wanted to model it myself. So I'm so excited, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it now. I had an idea in my head, but now I think it's stupid. So anyway, all right, so let's just go guys, because the sun's going down. All right, let's go.